First time eating frozen thaw, and this is how she's eating it in a water bowl, and she's eating it backwards. I just set it up in there, and she went for it. A partner of mine had a few frozen thawed mice that he gave to me, and I went on ahead and tried them on that. I just left it in there though, and they attacked it on their own. But this is weird. Look at it, eating like an anaconda in the water. My pretty special girl just came out of skin this morning. This is actually her second mouse tonight. My Candino girl, she ate 3. My banana girl on her 3rd one. I can see her. She's trying to get the tail off her nose. That's her 3rd one. So she's done eating for the night. Candino girl as well. She's done eating for the night as well. Still trying to get my Mojave girl to grab hers. I have it just sitting in there. So same with him, I have it just sitting in there. Well, I gotta clean that too. He'll get it. She's still fighting in the water bowl. And she's fighting with it like it's a big meal. But due to her eating it backwards, she's having a lot of trouble. Alright, y'all. Just wanted to do that video for y'all. Let y'all see my baby anaconda ball. Talk to y'all in my next one.